Let me show you all display settings available on the Motorola Edge 70. So in order to find them, we just need to open settings, and in here you should be able to easily find the display option. We have, of course, screen brightness, so you can adjust how bright the screen should be. We also have adaptive brightness or automatic brightness, which allows the phone to adjust the screen brightness based on the environment and how bright it is. We have the dark theme, of course, so you can easily enable and disable the dark theme on your phone. If you go over here, you can also create a schedule for the dark theme. In colors, we can choose the main colors that should be used on our phone. We have natural, radiant, and vivid, and also we have the color temperature adjustment, where you can choose one of these color temperatures. Of course, you can also set it up by yourself, and you can return to default if needed. We have display size and text, so you can easily change the text size and the display size on your phone. We can enable bold text to make the text look thicker, and also the outline text as well, which is pretty much the high contrast mode for the text. Display refresh rate, so you can choose 60 or 120 Hz. Of the screen refresh rate, but also if you choose smart and balanced, most of the time you will use 120 Hz, but sometimes it can be downgraded to 60 if there is a higher battery consumption. In full screen, you can adjust the camera cutout for specific apps over here. Then we have the auto rotate screen, so you can enable screen rotation, color contrast, which is quite useful for those who need a little bit of help with distinguishing elements on the screen if the contrast must be higher for them. We have the nightlight option, which turns the screen yellow or orange to protect your eyes, especially if you are reading something at night on your phone. Flicker prevention option. We also have the screen timeout, which determines how long the phone has to wait before trying to put the display to sleep due to inactivity. We have the screensaver, of course. There we go, so we can set up the screensaver if you want to. And we have some additional settings like the screen recorder settings, the screenshot settings where you can enable or disable 3-finger screenshot gesture. We have swipe to split, so you can use a gesture to enable the split view mode, and smart connect. And that is pretty much it. For more visual changes, you can also go to personalized option, of course, where we can change the wallpaper, apply a different theme, change the font as well, change icon shape, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.